guys, these MoxieLash magnetic lashes are so dope. You guys have to try them. As you guys saw, they are so easy to apply. I literally just put on a little bit of the magnetic liner and the lashes just clip right onto it. They are so lightweight. Literally, I feel like I have nothing on my eyes. And as you guys saw, they do have plenty of variety of lashes, from more natural lashes to dramatic lashes. These do have to be my favorite lashes because they are full and dramatic, just how I like them. Make sure you guys check them out. Their Instagram is tagged down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye guys.